Hey, good morning folks. Tom Betzel, your local realtor here, and today I'm coming to you from San Antonio, Texas. I'm going to shoot a quick video real quick just talking about the option period. So what is an option period? It's something I explain all the time, and I make sure that my clients are understanding of this because it is a very important period when purchasing a home. So when you're purchasing a home, specifically a pre-owned home, you purchase also what's called an option period. Normally 10 days, could be 7, just depends. We'd kind of negotiate, we'd work that out between us. But so you purchase an option period. What that does, it gives you the unrestricted right to terminate for any reason. So this is when we get our inspections done. We make sure everything checks out, everything's structurally sound, and it's going to be good to move forward. So at this home, we actually purchased a 10-day period. During the inspection period, we found that there was a leak in the sewer line in front of the house. That was done through hydrostatic testing. So what they do on that, they plug the clean out, they go ahead and pull a toilet, they fill the sewer lines up with water. Once it reaches slab level, if the water level drops any, then you know you have a leak in the sewer line, which we did the test. My client wanted to get that done, which is very smart. We found a leak, so we are addressing that now. So that's the point of the option period. We actually extended the option period for another 7 days just to make sure everything got taken care of. So client's going to be happy. He's going to get a home that is safe and sound and ready to go. So anyways, folks, just wanted to check in and kind of give you all a little rundown on that. If you or anyone you know are looking to buy a home, have any questions about the process or selling a home, I'd be more than happy to help. 210-618-6018. Have a great day. Stay safe. Stay blessed.